Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Next time, try adding a half teaspoon of caraway seeds or more to taste for every pound of sauerkraut, plus 1 apple, peeled, cored and diced or shredded. Another nice addition, some fat to mellow the sourness.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Adding fruits and vegetables to your sauerkraut is a great way to enliven its flavor. Root vegetables like carrots, radishes and beets work particularly well since they stand up to fermentation nicely. Pomaceous fruits like apples and pears work nicely, too.
Take our lead.
Most canned sauerkraut comes in brine, usually salt and water, so you don't have to rinse it before you strain it. Not rinsing it helps preserve the flavor in canned sauerkraut. However, if you prefer milder tasting sauerkraut, you can rinse it with water before the straining process.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Melt the butter in a pan, add the garlic and onion, if using garlic and onion powder, then simply add the canned sauerkraut first. Perfect German sauerkraut. Add all the seasonings and the apple pieces. Chicken stock adds a lot of flavor. Heat until heated through and simmering. Serve warm. Easy canned sauerkraut.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.